Can I give you the real formula for life? The one that includes everything. I mean everything. From law of attraction, synchronicities, to everything you would ever care about, it's imbued in this formula. It literally comes out of this world. Follow your highest excitement to the best of your ability in any given moment, free from attachment for a specific outcome. Every part of that sentence matters. Follow your highest excitement to the best of your ability in any given moment. This gives you a little bit of leeway. If you choose to not follow your highest excitement because of whatever rules in that moment, so I said to the best of your ability in any given moment, free from attachment to a specific outcome. What does that mean? Free from attachment to a specific outcome means do not get attached to the outcome. Use the idea, the thought of that outcome as fuel. It energized you, great. Stay on that path for as long as you can. And if one moment in time, long before you achieve the outcome, you lose passion for it, look around. There's billions of paths around you. Pick the one that has a heart. Go on a path that now has a heart. Follow your highest excitement.